Welcome to this video on physics worked examples, focusing on the superposition of forces and electric fields. Here is a checklist of common mistakes to avoid. Remember the square law, convert units correctly, ensure your calculator is in degrees mode, know the difference between force and field equations, and only use signs for direction, not magnitude. Let's review the transition from force to electric field. Force is the interaction between two charges. The electric field is a property generated by a single source charge. The direction convention is that the field points away from positive charges and toward negative charges. Now we will examine problem 4, the symmetry challenge. Two positive charges are placed at the base of an isosceles triangle. We need to find the net electric field at the apex, point P. In the solution, due to symmetry, the magnitudes of the electric fields E1 and E2 are equal. The x components of the fields cancel out. The net electric field is the sum of the y components, resulting in E net equal to 1910 newtons per Coulomb, directed straight up.